Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to upload guys Oppo phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys Oppo phone Wi-Fi full setting, how to set up Wi-Fi on Oppo mobile and how to use Wi-Fi setting friends, one by one, step by step we will talk about. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like the video friends. Friends, open your Oppo phone setting. After on phone setting friends, you can see this type interface on your Oppo mobile. Friends, click here Wi-Fi setting and your Wi-Fi is off. So first of all, on your Wi-Fi, after turn on Wi-Fi, you want to add any network friends, you can add network from here. Enter network name and enter password and you can join Wi-Fi network. First of all friends, refresh your Wi-Fi setting. After refresh Wi-Fi setting, select your Wi-Fi network. So friends, I have this 5G network. I will select this 5G network and I will enter this 5G network password. After enter password, you want to check password. So friends, click here and you can check your Wi-Fi password. Right side click here and get Wi-Fi network will connect in your Oppo phone. After connect Wi-Fi network friends, you can use this Wi-Fi network. Example friends, I will on YouTube app. And friends, you can check I can use YouTube app after connect Wi-Fi network. So like that friends, you can connect Wi-Fi network and you can use on your Oppo mobile. And once you want to disconnect Wi-Fi network, so once again click here Wi-Fi setting, right side click here friends, you can say remove this network and QR code. So friends, if you click QR code friends, nearby device you want to share your Wi-Fi network, you can share nearby device this Wi-Fi network QR code. And friends, you can see automatically connect and reconnect option you can on and you can off from here. Friends, click here remove this network and remove. After remove friends, you can see Wi-Fi network will disconnect, Wi-Fi network will remove. We cannot use Wi-Fi on Oppo mobile friends. Again, if you click here, you will have to enter password. Then friends, you can connect this Wi-Fi network again on your mobile. And friends, you don't want to connect, friends, you want to connect any network with QR code. So friends, click here scanner option, friends, scan QR code and friends, you can join any Wi-Fi network after scan QR code on your Oppo mobile. So like that friends, you can use your Wi-Fi full setting on your Oppo mobile. Friends, if you click advanced setting, so advanced setting friends, you can check Wi-Fi data uses. You want to check your Wi-Fi data uses, so you can check your Wi-Fi data uses from here. Save network, you want to check save network friends, you can see save network is 5G network Realme mobile. Again, if you click here enter password and you can connect. So like that friends, we can use Wi-Fi advanced setting. And last guys, we will turn off Wi-Fi. So like that friends, we can set up Wi-Fi on our mobile. So bye friends, thanks for watching the video guys.